Let's talk crypto. What's up investors and welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about INSAV stock. This is a stock that I've covered on the channel in July while it was on an incredible run. However, in August, after complications with their exchange, the stock crashed to less than 2 cents. This stock is now up over 150% on that low point and likely to continue up. So today we'll be looking at who exactly are INSAV for anyone that's new to this stock. We will look at the very latest news and upcoming catalysts. INSAV have just released the most recent financial statements. Let's look at this and the notes to the account. Then we'll take a look at the charts and I'll give you my conclusion on INSAV. If you find any value in this video, can I ask you to smash that like button? If you're new, hit the subscribe button and bell notification so you don't miss out on any new content like this. It's 100% free and a great way to show your support for the channel. Your likes help this channel grow. My last INSAV video has nearly 200 likes. Help me hit 200 likes on this video. What do you think of INSAV? Have you invested and what price target do you have? I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Now let's get into it. INSAV Holdings is a cryptocurrency, blockchain and digital technology company who primarily focus on continuing making acquisitions and deals in the cryptocurrency sector. They are a holding company focused on diversifying their portfolio by making many diversified acquisitions in the booming crypto sector. INSAV believe that they will be a leading player in the $200 billion cryptocurrency market by operating in a similar fashion to a venture capitalist firm in the crypto, digital asset and blockchain space. However, they are developing their own solutions as well, such as their own cryptocurrency exchange. This exchange is central to the company's plans going forward and is a big reason for the amount of attention that this stock is getting right now. INSAV only the second US publicly traded company to own a currency exchange, following the Coinbase IPO in April, which valued Coinbase at over $85 billion. On Friday, NSAV announced a collaboration with LuxFi to launch a real-world luxury asset-backed NFT marketplace, which will work directly with retailers and professional experts to eliminate counterfeit items while minting NFTs on a multi-chain blockchain network and provide accurate NFT pricing that is backed by real-world data for each NFT. Now I have to laugh when I say that this will be backed by accurate pricing. This was a major reason for the share price plummeting. In my opinion, INSAV tried to launch their exchange prematurely and should have had any bugs and regulations sorted prior to launching an exchange. Anyways, according to nonfungible.com, over $2 billion was spent on NFTs during the first quarter of 2021, an increase of over 2,000% on Q4 2020 and already far surpassing the $250 million NFT market in 2020. Management believes that now is the perfect time to expand into the NFT market. INSAV will use its resources to support LuxFi in becoming a leader in the real-world luxury asset-backed NFT marketplace. LuxFi is targeting a real-world luxury assets that hold value well, including, but not limited to, art pieces, diamonds, luxury watches and branded bags. By creating an extensive hub of major players internationally in the industry, INSAV will help LuxFi to become a dominating force in the art industry and both parties will form a consortium for upcoming projects. LuxFi has an extensive network of brands and retailers. Their data intelligence system is collecting real-world data from global retailers and social media channels to provide accurate pricing that benchmark against global trends. Fingerprint technology is used to tie the real-world asset to its virtual NFT on the blockchain. The product fingerprints is unique for each item. So this is very big news for NSAV. But they will need to make sure that they get the launch right this time around. It would be disastrous if they were to botch it again like they did back in August. However, they do seem intent to learn from their mistakes. INSAV have partnered with TG Private Equity and Silver Bear Capital in order to create great value for shareholders and make many diverse acquisitions. INSAV's prized stakeholding, Virtua Broker, has launched globally as of the 31st of May, and they are a platform based on AI that offers a full range of trading services such as portfolio management, price search function, and much more. Their platform supports nearly all major cryptocurrency exchanges including Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. INSAV have a 50% stake in SBCDF Investment and also hold a 20% equity with an option to acquire an additional 10% stake in New York-based blockchain rideshare platform RideHails. With the recent IPO of Coinbase, which is valued at over $85 billion, and the announcements of PayPal and MasterCard joining the crypto revolution, The management of INSAV believes that their diversified holdings will be a major step in fulfilling the company's ambition of being a leading player in the over $200 billion annual cryptocurrency market. INSAV offer financial services through partnership with Silver Bear Capital. This is primarily focused through business buy and sell services, reverse takeovers, SPACs, mergers and acquisitions, international stock loans, US stock loans, equity placements, debt placements, and leveraged buyout. Again, through their partnership with Silver Bear, INSAV can provide a variety of different advisory services for development, marketing, business development, restructuring, turnarounds, mergers and acquisitions, strategy, financial advice, and much more. INSAV offer e-commerce services through Ride Hails. This will be providing a marketplace for a variety of items from grocery to clothing and will accept payments through cryptocurrencies as well as fiat payments. According to McKinsey research, rideshare providers have only tapped into 29% of the potential market in the US rideshare market, which has already exceeded $34 billion and $8 billion in New York alone. Ride Hails will have direct access to 60% of the market within 12 months and currently has access to over 120,000 New York City taxi and limousine commission licensed drivers. The management of INSAV believe that the acquisition will be a major step in fulfilling the company's ambition of becoming a leading player in the multi-billion-dollar blockchain, cryptocurrency and digital assets arenas. But more importantly, INSAV has a variety of different cryptocurrency services available. INSAV has entered into the booming China cryptocurrency and blockchain market. In 2019, the Chinese government formally committed to the importance of blockchain and by 2023 expects to spend over $2 billion on blockchain technology. Chinese officials have recently taken a softer stance on cryptocurrencies and indicated that cryptocurrency should be regulated as an alternative asset rather than a fiat currency. INSAV's management believe that China will be a major player in the $2 trillion market. On Monday, INSAV announced plans to launch a premium OTC crypto trading desk by mid-September. And for anyone who does not think that this is a big announcement, INSAV's share price gained nearly 100% in the 48 hours after this. This is the type of news that will provide NSAV with the catalyst to push on over the coming weeks, and this is a necessary development if INSAV wants to be taken seriously. INSAV's OTC desk will offer private and personalized service to institutions and high net worth individuals that trade large blocks of cryptocurrency. OTC crypto trading desks offer increased liquidity, price protection, fiat support, unlimited purchases, and purchase of rare tokens which are not available on exchanges. Nearly all major crypto exchanges have their own OTC desk, which further proves that it is vital to INSAV if they are going to succeed. The company's management believes that having its own OTC crypto trading desk will be a huge benefit to INSAV and all its shareholders, as it ascends to the next level. For anyone that is new to this stock, or who hasn't seen my previous videos on INSAV, Mr. Wong is a highly experienced individual in the cryptocurrency markets. In addition to his position at INSAV, Mr. Wong is also a managing partner at Bitmart Cryptocurrency Exchange and is also the CEO of Labs Group, the world's first end-to-end blockchain-powered real estate investment ecosystem. CEO Desmond Lim stated his delight that INSAV will soon have its own OTC crypto trading desk and believes that it will greatly complement INSAV's current business model. Talking about Desmond Lim, he was recently announced as interim CEO and serves as Senior Vice President of Cryptocurrency Operations for INSAV. Mr. Lim is the co-founder of world-renowned World Glove City project in Malaysia and a partner at Silver Bear Capital. Mr. Lim has extensive finance and fund management experience and is instrumental in turnkey and financial services for Silver Bear's private clients. He has access to numerous global fund managers across the world in the US, Europe, China, Hong Kong, Singapore and Malaysia. This is the type of well-connected individual that we love to see at companies we're invested in. Then we have Mr. Danny Lau, and finally Mr. Yung Wong, Executive Director. Mr. Wong is currently the CEO of Labs Group Limited, the world's first end-to-end blockchain-powered real estate investment ecosystem and powered by the Labs ecosystem token through decentralized finance and governance. Mr. Wong is also presently a Managing Director at Bitmart Exchange, a digital asset trading platform, and formerly a Managing Partner at Ayana Properties, a Dubai and London property group. Mr. Wong is also a partner at Silver Bear Capital Inc. Less than 2 weeks ago, INSAV announced that it plans to launch a new decentralized currency exchange and have it fully operational and trading within the next 45 to 60 days. So that could be as early as the end of September. The company will own 100% of the exchange, and it will also carry the NSAV brand name. With the launch of the DEX, this would give INSAV 2 cryptocurrency exchanges, which the new management of INSAV believe is the fastest and most efficient way for the company to have a fully operational cryptocurrency exchange and obtain a share of the $2 trillion global cryptocurrency market. They anticipate having its INSAV centralized cryptocurrency exchange trading within 90 days subject to legal, regulatory and licensing issues. INSAV have also announced that it is in negotiations on several AI projects. Management believes in the chemistry between blockchain and AI and therefore has added a new senior vice president of technology, Stanley Wu. In order to bolster its technology department, Stanley comes to INSAV with over 10 years experience with the likes of IBM Research Labs and Sun Microsystems. Stanley is also a partner at Silver Bear Capital. When we look at OTCmarkets.com, we can see that INSAV is now Pink Limited information. This is not good, but going from Pink Limited to Pink Current always provides a huge catalyst for companies. And we can expect the company to become Pink Current very soon, after filing their quarterly report on Friday. So let's take a look at this report. Looking at the balance sheet as at June 30th, the company has total assets of $18 million and total liabilities of $1.5 million. This is a huge increase from the previous quarter where they had total assets of only $455,000, which we've seen in the last video. However, the majority of this is made up of goodwill. But even discounting the goodwill, it is a huge improvement on the March report, although the cash position is only $1,600. So this is a bit concerning. The liabilities are primarily made up of accrued wages, which we will look at in a moment, and non-convertible payable notes, which between them amount to nearly $1.2 million. So looking at note 3 of the related party transactions, that the company accrued wages for the president and CEO at a rate of $120,000 per year, which gives us a total of $1.5 million in backdated wages. Something that I hate to see in early growth stage companies is executive management being paid huge salaries, so $120,000 a year seems fair. Looking at the income statement, we can see that they have no real revenue yet and overall have a net loss of $1.2 million. A bigger thing that you'll notice here is the number of shares outstanding, which stands at 5.9 billion shares. Again, this is a bit concerning as it's quite high, but this is something that you need to be aware of. Looking at the chart since the start of the year, we can see that this stock has gained 10,000% since January 1st. INSAV stock went up like all other OTC stocks in February to a high point, which is in line with its current price of 0.04, but had been declining, going as low as under 1 cent at the start of July. Then, as we seen at the time of my last video, INSAV went parabolic in July. From the 12th of July up until the 2nd of August, this stock ran from just over 1 cent up to over 15 cents. Before problems with the launch of the crypto exchange seen investors lose confidence in this stock overnight. However, the stock has gained over 150% in just the past 2 weeks. Looking closer, we can see the huge drop from Friday to Monday the 10th of August. And as we can see here, there was a huge surge in buying. This is the smart money. Look at this. We can see two sell-offs here on the 2nd of August and again on the 9th of August. And then on the 10th of August, huge buying. And the stock quickly gained about 200% over the coming days. Then looking at the past 10 days, we can see that after slipping back to around 2 cents, the stock has been on a steady rise once more, moving in this upward direction. Right now, INSAV needs positive PR to keep the movement going, and I think that yesterday's news, along with the stock regaining its Pink Current status, will go a long way for shareholders' value creation. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Drop it a like if you did. Remember, Webull are giving away 2 free stocks worth up to $2,000 if you open an account and deposit only $5 using my referral link. And if you're new around here, remember to hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Follow me on Twitter and join the Facebook group. All links below. So what is my INSAV stock prediction? I think there's huge potential here at INSAV, and I think that this stock still has the potential to go much higher than its current price. I was bullish on INSAV when it was twice this price, and I was still bullish on INSAV when it was 3 times this price. So I see this as a huge opportunity. Now, I don't want to get carried away, we must be realistic. Although the share price is very low, There is also the fact that the float is over 4.7 billion shares, meaning that the current market cap is around $250 million. I said in the conclusion of my last INSAV video that I expected a bit of a pullback on August 9th, but I did not expect the huge drop that this stock took. However, in the long term, this could be one of the stocks of the year to be getting into. With the projected growth in blockchain, NFT and crypto markets, INSAV will have a huge addressable market, and for comparison, Coinbase currently has a market cap of over $54 billion. But INSAV has a long way to go before we could even imagine having a market cap like this. As always, this is just my opinion, and if anyone is thinking about buying this stock, I encourage you to do your own research. And if you find anything of interest, leave a comment down below and I'll look into it. As I said before, I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Do you think NSAV can rival Coinbase and become a dominant market leader? And what are your thoughts on the future of NSAV? Leave a comment down below and I'll catch you in the next update video.